Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find promo codes for JioCinemas.com. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, as you can see, I've got Google here. So in the Google search box, I'm going to type in JioCinemas promo code deals. Once I've done that, I'm going to hit search and then I'll be brought to Google search results here. So we can check out any one of these third-party sites for promo code deals. We've got, as we can see, got grabon.in, we've got 100% free, got coupondunia.in, desidme, can even check out Reddit as well. Reddit can be a good place to get promo code deals. So the one I'm going to use for this demonstration is grabon.in. And now if we scroll down here, we can see different promo code deals. We've got premium plans, get flat fee, 51% off your subscription, and it's verified here as well. Recommended here, subscribe and watch House of the Dragon Season 2. This is verified. A flat 40% off, which is verified. So if we want a flat 40% off, what we can do is simply click on it. And as we can see, offer is activated and it will take you straight over and save 40% off your family premium plan. So you can check out any one of these sites and just make sure they are in date still, because these codes do expire. If they do expire, just move on to the next promo code deal or come back at a later date, because these codes on top of that do change daily, weekly or monthly depending on their business structure.